Are you drowning in accessories like me? Then let's go ahead and upcycle ourselves a fantastic new jewelry holder.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy space-saving DIY storage solution, all you need is an old wooden hanger, a mini drill or something else to make holes in the wood, a bead that fits over the end of the hanger, and 2 drawer pulls. Now, as I had salvaged my drawer pulls from a vintage dresser, they originally looked like that. But with some nail polish and a bit of a refashionista imagination, they now look like this. So your first step is to simply flip that old hanger upside down. Then go ahead and decide where you would like your drawer pulls to be. These will become your necklace hangers. Once you have the drawer pulls positioned, go ahead and put a little mark. Then grab your handy drill or other tool you'll be using to make the holes and drill on through. I always put a piece of scrap wood under the items that I'm going to be drilling, just so I don't ruin my table surface. I also went ahead and did a hole on each end to make it easier to nail it up on the wall. Then go ahead and pop the screws through those holes and attach your lovely drawer pulls. Once you have your fancy little drawer pull necklace holders attached to the hanger, go ahead and flip up the metal hook, grab that little bead, pop it on the end, and you're ready to go nail it up to the wall. How totally groovy is that? And completely free. And I made another one because I have so many accessories. For loads of thrifty upcycling tips, tricks, and refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And as always, subscribe to me everywhere on YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and Tumblr and Instagram and just everywhere. Refashionista Sherry, Confessions of a Refashionista. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.